Hello, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited gifts from any local video file. I'm talking Love Island, Netflix, anything on your computer. No subscription, no uploading to shady websites, no watermark, pure Python running 100% local. So let's see what we need for this. Okay, so we need some modules that we're going to install, and those modules are moviepy, librosa, numpy, and tqdm. Okay, so once you install that, you need to have a Python script ready, which is linked in the description, and these are the modules that we're using in the script. Once you're done with the script, you need to give an input to the file. The input that I'm using is a Love Island 10-second clip. Okay, and now once I run it with Python GIF generator input video, it gives me GIFs in this GIF directory. So I'll open it for you again, and this is the 10-second clip. Okay, so and the full Love Island video was here. I'm not going to open it because of the copyright claim, but this was the video. Okay, it was a full 10-second new Love Island video. So yeah, keep the gifts coming from the latest Love Island show or any Netflix or any streamer that you like, and keep generating the gifts. So like, share, and subscribe.